Dear friends, thank you for watching and subscribing the YouTube channel La Mathematics. If you are not a subscriber, please touch this bell icon for up-to-date videos. Welcome you all to a new episode of second year higher secondary mathematics classes.
Area of a triangle. We have the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is 1 by 2 into sigma x1 into y2 minus y3. That is delta equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 in the form of determinant delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Note: first, since area is a positive quantity, take the absolute value of the determinant. Second, if area is given, use both positive and negative values of the determinant for calculation. Third, if the given 3 points are collinear, area is taken as 0. Question number 20. Show that points capital A, B plus C, capital B, C plus A, capital C, comma, A plus B are collinear. Answer: area delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1 equal to 1 by 2 into ordered pair x1 y1 എന്നതിന് പകരം a, b plus c, അതുപോലെ x2 y2 എന്നതിന് പകരം b, c plus a, x3 y3 എന്ന പോയിന്റിന് പകരം c, a plus b. Substitute ചെയ്താൽ delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant a, b plus c 1, b, c plus a 1, c, a plus b 1. Applying C1 changes to C1 plus C2. ഒന്നാമത്തെ കോളം മാറുന്നത് ഒന്നാമത്തെ കോളത്തിലൂടെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ കോളം ആഡ് ചെയ്യും. ഡെൽറ്റ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 by 2 into a plus b plus c, b plus c 1, b plus c plus a, c plus a 1, c plus a plus b, a plus b 1. അതായത് ഫസ്റ്റ് കോളത്തിൽ മാത്രമേ മാറ്റമുള്ളൂ. സെക്കൻഡ് കോളം C2, തേർഡ് കോളം C1, C3ക്കും മാറ്റമില്ല. Here a plus b plus c is common in C1, therefore taken outside. 1 by 2 into a plus b plus c into determinant 1 b plus c 1, 1 c plus a 1, 1 a plus b 1 equal to 0, since C1 is identical with C3. Therefore area is 0. Therefore the 3 points are collinear. Question number 21. Find the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using determinants. Answer: let capital P x, y be any point on the line joining the points capital A 1, 2 and capital B 3, 6. Then the points capital A, capital B and capital P are collinear. Hence area of triangle ABP equal to 0. We have area delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 equal to 0. Delta equal to 1 by 2 into 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 equal to 0. Expanding along first row, delta equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into 6 minus y minus 2 into 3 minus x plus 1 into 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Implies 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Implies 2y minus 4x equal to 0. Implies y equal to 2x. Hence, the equation of the line joining the points is y equal to 2x. Question number 22. Find values of k if area of triangle is 4 square units and vertices are k, 0, 4, 0, 0, 2. Answer. Delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Substituting values for x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Equal to 1 by 2 into k ulpadunna row colon delete ചെയ്താൽ 0 minus 2 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 4 into 2 minus 0 into 0 equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2k plus 8 equal to 4 minus k. Given that area is 4 square units. Therefore, 4 minus k equal to 4 or 4 minus k equal to minus 4. 4 minus k equal to 4 implies k equal to 0 or 4 minus k equal to minus 4 implies k equal to 8. Hence, k equal to 0 or 8. Question number 23. Find the area of the triangle with vertices 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. Answer. We have delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Substituting values for x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Delta equal to 1 by 2 into determinant 1, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 4, 3, 1. Expanding along first row R1 equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into 1 into 0 minus 3 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 6 into 3 minus 4 into 0 equal to 1 by 2 into minus 3 plus 18 equal to 15 by 2. That is area equal to 15 by 2 square unit.